Okay guys, this is what I decided. I decided I had to get this thing and get a motor in it where it'll run, and if I can make it run and it'll push one of these SPTs, then I'm going to put it on that shorty like I talked about in my earlier little video there. So yeah, I'm going to put a treadmill motor into this, and this is old total shopper that the transfer shaft in it's gone bad. This thing broke. It goes right there, see? And well, there ain't none to be found, so I might can make one or whatever, but yeah, this one ain't here. So I think I'm gonna put that over out of the way, and I got this. I got treadmill motor, and I got it connected to that quill shaft right down there coming up this way. So let me show you what that looks like. I know y'all all like to see how things go together. And you see that? I just got it from there to there. And I don't know if the torque's going to be right or if it's going to be crazy. Or I mean, that was enough to carry somebody on that torque belt on that thing, and it was on a smaller thing. So I don't know. We'll have to see. It may be off. I may have to rethink it, but I think I got a simple way to mount it. I think I'm just going to put me a couple of holes right there into the case going out the front, and then put some shims in it and mount it. And then if I want to reinforce it later, I got this brace here at the top to use to reinforce with. And right now I'm using that brace. I didn't cut it off. I left it on there because it makes a darn good handle to pick that thing up and down out of there when you're fitting it. So that's what we're going to do. So y'all just hang on, watch, and I'm going to see if I can get it in there right quick. It won't take me long, I hope. See what it looks like. See if I can get this camera in a decent place and get a light where y'all can see, and we'll just go to work. What we got to do, we got to get this thing mounted in here somehow. So I'm going to throw this light so we can get a little bit of light in here when we kind of see. You and me both can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to visually get as close as I can as far as alignment. Because, well, that's the best I can do with what I got to work with right now. And that belt's got a few cogs it can slide on. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of line it up, get it straight as we can. Got to get in a better place, guys. This will be better for you too anyway, okay? Let's see what that is. Okay, for a mock-up, roll this around here like this, and we're going to blow all this crap out of it because we got a mess. morning, we'll blow it out real good, and then we'll clean all these little grooves and everything out with something. Get something clean with. Got some WD here, we need that. I blew it out and got all the big crap out of it. Now I'm going to take some of this PB blaster and hit it just on the shaft and clean it a little bit right there and just let it sit a few minutes while I go eat dinner, and when I come back I'll scrape all that out of there. Let me see how it's going to break up. It's in there pretty good, ain't it? Kind of gunked. Old grease in there is tough. You see how hard that grease is? You hit it with a little bit more blaster, and I'm going to let it sit on it in a minute. Okay, we'll let that just sit there. I'm going to go eat dinner. I'll come back and we'll get the rest of that cleaned up. Okay, we'll let that stuff work a little bit while I was eating a little bite, but that ain't going to get it. We've got to scrub it out of there a little bit. So I got one of these brushes with a little bit of something here on it. See if we can get some of this loosen out of here. Where it's in these grooves. Alright, that's working. Got a little more to do with. See if we got enough air pressure in here to get this done. Computer, turn on air compressor. Wow, it worked. It's deep. I got all the grooves all cleaned out and everything. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back in with put some grease in all that so it can work real nice and smooth, and get that done and get this shaft inside of here greased, and I think we'll be okay. So let's get that. I got you. Now, I got my grease gun here, and I'm just going to get me a little dab on my fingers, the easiest way I know to do it. Let's start in this quill down inside of here. I want to put a whole lot. Cleaned all these out real good with the little brush, get them clean. A little grease in them now. Gonna be a little push out right there, get it as I go. Got that. Now, let's put a little bit on this wheel right here. Get a little more on my finger. Paper towel, get my hands cleaned up here. Get this grease off of me. I'm gonna reach in here and get it where a little bit I got on the case right here. And a little bit right there, looks like maybe. Yep. Now, okay. Now, I got me cleaned out. Got the original belt on it here, and I got this mount, these two bolts in for a mount. So what I'm going to try now is I'm going to try mounting this treadmill motor inside of here and see if I can get it to mount, what it's going to look like, and what kind of spacers I got to make. Okay, let's get that done. We're going to try to set it in here and hook it right on here. Hook the belt right on there as we go in. Okay, you ready? Let's take it in. And take it in here and hook the belt. Let me get my finger in there. Okay, get the belt hooked. And then break that up a little bit. And swing it. Come on, baby. Don't make my life hard. Alright, check it out. Now, let me see. Am I bumping? What am I hitting? Okay, it's on that little housing down there. When I come up and tighten the belt, will that get it away from it? We'll see. Let's get some bolts in it. See, we're going to have to add some more bolts in here, you know, to strengthen this up. Ain't no way it's going to work with what I got. It's just not enough. Okay. I've got treadmill motor mounted, double nutted, got the tension on the belt. The belt's right down in there. Got tension on it, hook it up. I got the control board mounted right there. I got the choke mounted for it right there. Here's the wire coming out to the controls. And right now it's going over to there, okay? The power comes through this switch, so we got power to turn it on for now for that main switch. So that's the way it's set up. Now we wonder one thing. I got it plugged up. I got that ready to push the button, and I got that ready to turn on once I put this thing in it. So hey, let me pull this back. Ready? Okay, y'all see it down in there, right? Let's I got it over here on the controller. I'm gonna turn it up. Let's see what happens when we crank it. You ready? I got this thing rigged up, ready. Control box is going in, the DC motor's inside, and pull back and let y'all see, watch. That's 8 miles an hour, whatever that is in RPMs, I don't know. Listen to it wind up. Hooked to this sander a little bit ago with the shaft between them. Run it right around, man. Didn't want to run it fast though. But that's zipping right there. Turn it back down. Just like that. Pull the key out of it. Leave it for the night like that. Now I got some researching to do. I got Total Shop, Shopsmith, Total Shop with a DC motor. Got to get that figured out, and that figured out. And I got to know something. I figured out that has to run off that shaft on the bottom over there. Now I need to know where can that go? Can it go on either end, or does it have to go on that back side? And this here, it looks to me like it has to go on the back side for it to work, because the blade has to go down. So yeah, I'm just trying to adjust and figure out, because what I'm trying to figure out is a way to put 2 tools on here. Now, if I make that DC motor change direction, I just fixed this problem, guys.